Alright, today's new puppies, we're taking a trip around the world. We're starting in Asia. You ready? Chinese Shar Pei. Look at that face. Look at him. Shar Pei. Asia. China. Want a Shar Pei? Come and get him. Alright, now we're going to Cuba. Havanese. Havana. Havanese. He's cute. Black and white Havanese. It's a Goyle. It's a girl Havanese. Cuba's finest. From China to Cuba. Havanese. Alright, now we're going to Germany. That's right. China, Cuba, Germany. Schnauzer. I got a girl Schnauzer here. Floppy ears. She's very cute. I got a boy Schnauzer here. Pointy ears. Schnauzer cut. Schnauzer. Want a Schnauzer? We have a Schnauzer and a Schnauzer. Germany's finest. Alright, we left Germany. Now we're in France. This here is Wee Wee and Poo Poo. Papillon. Look at her. Look at that Papillon. She's gorgeous. You want a Papillon? Hurry up. They don't stay here long. Dogue de Bordeaux. French Mastiff. Tastes like French dressing. Come get this dog. Come get this dog. Let's get out of France. They're too rude here.
It's not nice.
They don't like us Americans.
It's because you wouldn't try the snails at dinner.
True. Alright, we crossed over the Thames there into England. Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. Look at those big goofy eyeballs. You want a Cavalier King Charles? He's very cool. He's very cute. Cavalier. Tricolored Cavalier. I need a medium rare cheeseburger. I need freedom fries. And I need a large Diet Coke. Please hurry up. Alright, we're home. USA. Beagle. One Beagle. He's a cool Beagle too. Come and get him. Come and check him out. You ready? Oh, it's a regular dog. Beagle, USA. Welcome home, dude.